the most interesting pageant content is back. Nell 2204, your pageant blogger host. Subscribe.
Magandang araw Pilipinas, good day pageant lovers. This is the Miss Universe update about National Costume Parade. Last bits from day 3 of the 71st Miss Universe competition, which was full of filming, shooting, and exploring New Orleans. Today, the contestants will participate in the Mardi Gras Kick-Odd parade around New Orleans in their national costumes, as well as the annual at Mube Cosmetics photo shoot with the 5 chosen contestants. Once again, let us support Miss Philippines Celeste Cortesi as she is now enjoying her time in the Miss Universe competition. Once again, this is me, Nell. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell for more updates about Miss Universe. Thank you and good day.
Good day pageant lovers, welcome back to my channel where you can always be updated about our Filipino beauty queens.